Hello everyone, Nasser here from Financial Markets Club. This video is going to be a follow-on from my previous analysis on the DXY, which is the index for US dollar. So you'll recall in my last video I was talking about how the US dollar could potentially push back up to retest those previous highs and possibly even breach those last highs. And interestingly enough, that was pretty accurate and it did work out exactly as expected. I wasn't too sure whether it will sort of stop around this 105 level or whether we're going to see some, a significantly different higher high, shall I say. But it seems after yesterday's news on the US Fed increasing interest rates by 0.75% and the market sort of factoring this in the prior days, where we saw the US dollar sort of strengthen significantly, it seems that we've run out of steam. So I would imagine we're very close to the top for the US dollar. And once this sort of starts turning around, I just need to see this break below this trend line for a day or two, and I'd be pretty confident that this is coming down. And once we start moving down, we should have a significant move down. Yeah, I believe we could potentially see the DXY sort of come down to around the 100-ish level initially. Of course, there's going to be whipshaws on the way. Around the 100, if it does get there, then we'd probably expect some sort of large push back up. But overall, for the foreseeable sort of medium term, I'm on the bearish side with the US dollar. I'm expecting this to sort of get hammered over the medium term. If you're trading cross currencies like GBPUSD, EURUSD, then you would imagine those sort of going up significantly as the US dollar sort of crashes down. Again, in terms of fundamentals, I can't really tell you exactly what fundamentals will cause this. What you will find is the news will be sort of coming out, and the timing will be interesting. There'll be stuff sort of coming out that causes the dollar to sort of crash down, and you'll see this being reflected on the charts and so forth. So I'm staying on the bearish side of the US dollar. Of course, there's always that possibility it might push up a little bit more, but I think we're very close to the end of the US dollar's rise for a while. Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible.